In this video, I will show you how to retouch skin in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, make 2 copies of the background layer. I'm going to rename the top layer as Texture and the middle layer as Color. Now hide the texture layer and select the color layer. Go to the filter menu, choose Blur, and then select Gaussian Blur. Increase the radius until the textures go away. In this case, I will keep it at 10 pixels, and then click OK. Next, select the texture layer and unhide it. Go to the Image menu, choose Apply Image. In the Layer section, select the color layer. Set the channel to RGB. For the blending mode, choose Subtract. Set the scale to 2, and the offset to 128, and click OK. Now change the blending mode of the texture layer from normal to linear light. Hide the texture layer again and select the color layer. Go to the toolbar and select the Mixer Brush tool. In the option bar, make sure to clean the brush and turn off this icon. Set the wet value to 8%, low to 90%, mix to 90%, and flow to 80%. Now let's use the Mixer Brush tool to blend the colors and make the skin smooth. With the color layer selected and the Mixer Brush tool setting adjusted, start painting over the face to blend the colors and make it smooth. Take your time and be careful around the edges to maintain the natural look. Once you are satisfied with the color blending, turn on the texture layer. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching.